what we do with that is we go around, we don't reuse your old device. We go around, we put in brand new plugs, switches. We do the pigtailing from aluminum to the copper adaptation, and also too for insurance purposes, we will provide you with a letter to give to your insurance company. Kitchens. This is the probably like the biggest, I guess like your biggest room in the house where most people spend the most time. So during kitchen renovation, a lot of people tend to focus on like your counters and your cupboards is the big thing, and lighting is the afterthought. So typically with your kitchen renovation, when we come in, we do our walkthrough after we get told how excited everybody is for their new counters, their new cupboards. But that's always a kind of big question is like, hey, what about lighting? Oh, I think the lighting is fine. Well, once you get all your new cupboards and everything in, you have like brand new everything. Why not make your kitchen a little bit brighter, more inviting? Basements. The next big thing for basements is again a lot that you're going to be spending a lot of time, whether it's watching like hockey, baseball, sports, your favorite TV shows. So when you're in your basement, you don't get a lot of natural light. So again, lighting is something that we really specialize in to help make your home more bright, more inviting, and just generally more enjoyable. For garages, same thing. A lot of people when they would have built their garage, it's usually there's not a lot of like forethought into like what are you going to be doing in your garage in the long run. So most of the time you get a builder that'll come in, bring you the absolute bare minimum that you need, whereas us, well, we like to future proof you. So most of the time in your garage, have you thought about your EV charger? Are you going to be welding heat? Things like that. Um, Another big one that we've had when we do our walkthroughs with clients is, especially during like renovations, is bathroom vents. A lot of people are very surprised that we do bathroom van replacements. Yeah, if you're not pulling out that moisture from your bathroom, you're going to create mold. You're going to get like soggy drywall, things like that. So we do a lot of bathroom fan swap replacements or even complete installs. Emergency services. This is another big one, especially with all the rain that we've had lately. We've had quite a few services where the trees have fallen and knocked down your service. We've been quite busy coming out repairing those services. So even with that being said, like we try to make it as stress-free for the homeowner as possible. So I coordinate with the city, I take care of your permits, your inspections. And then the only thing I can't really control is when that report comes back or your provider to restore power to your home. And next slide, please. So here's some examples of our service upgrade benefits. So on the left here, we've had panels where we've come in where it's an older panel where, yes, the panel did catch fire and start to melt. And then on the right is the final product after we replace the entire thing. Benefits to this, again, you get a new safer panel, you get more space, or a bit more physical breaker space. So if you want to add more dedicated circuits, things like that to your home, we make that's becomes a possibility. Next slide, please. Again, here's just some more examples of the finished product once the services are done. All of these were older panels that we replaced. So instead of having like a giant mess when your panel is done, you left with a nice, clean, finished product that you're not really going to go down and look at it every day, but at least you know your home is safe. You provide that peace of mind. So that way, when your old panel is done, then you can sleep better at night knowing their house isn't going to catch fire from an electrical issue. Here's a commercial space that we did a brand new service at as well. So with new construction, again, we can help with your projects from the ground up, from the service to your lighting to like your, like whether it's like your warehouse, your shop, all your needs start to finish. Yeah, so what happens when you call us? We hit their name, their email, their phone number, their address, we get them into the system. Typically we book an on-site estimate where usually they get to meet me, I'll come by, I'll take a look. We don't do any high pressure sales. We'll come by, we'll let you know like, hey, this is the issues. We'll present you with different options and then go from there. Yeah, and that's all I got, I guess.